Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're taking a look at this. This is a display adapter USB hub kind of built into one. Going to unbox this, going to demonstrate this for you and let you know one of the limitations on this. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video and leave a comment. Let's get started. All right, so let's unbox this, the Mint Hughes 3-in-1. Basically what this is a mini docking station for your laptop. HDMI, you can also charge. If you have a laptop that can charge via USB-C, then you can hook power into this and you can do all that. But let's just unbox it and then we'll look at it. But this is the box it comes in. Open the box a little bit here. There's nothing in there. Have what is this? Warranty information or this safety information, typical stuff that comes with this stuff. Look at all that later. You have a quick start guide, kind of all the explanations of everything you need to know about this thing, limitations and things like that. So let's get this out. So kind of gives you an explanation of everything. So you can see right here, HDMI out. Has two USB-Cs, one of them is a charging port, and then two USB-A. So here is the device. Actually, let's open this up. Well packaged. I'll rip this open because I don't know if there's something else in here or not. There's not. Okay. So this is it right here, and you have USB-C connects to your laptop, and then that gives you two USB ports and two USB-A ports, USB-C, USB-A, and you have an HDMI output on the side in case you need to connect to a monitor or a TV and your laptop doesn't have HDMI out. Then you have this one, USB-A right here. And then, I don't know if you can see it or not, but PD, that is power. And then, so you basically have three USB ports. You have a power port. You connect a USB-C cable that does not come with this, but you connect this to a wall charger or outlet, and that provides power, and then you can actually charge your laptop. So if you have a laptop that charges by USB-C, you probably have a charger that connects via USB-C. So just plug that in the wall and plug it in this PD port. And then that gives you three ports and an HDMI out. So let's just hook this up to a laptop. Let's hook it up to a monitor and see how it works. So we're going to test this display adapter with the HP ZBook connecting to a monitor. So let's get everything hooked up. All right, so first we're just going to connect the display adapter to the laptop. And then we're going to connect the the HDMI to the device. And you can see with it connected that we instantly have a monitor hooked up to the laptop. You can either duplicate your display or extend your display, but the display works perfectly fine. So let's hook up a hard drive and see if the ports are all working. So next, all I'm going to do is take my hard drive right here and I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And I hear the ding, so it is connecting the hard drive. And my hard drive is recognized, so the display adapter is working exactly like it's supposed to, either as a USB hub or as a display adapter if you don't have HDMI out on your laptop. Okay guys, so that's the Mint Hughes USB hub slash display adapter. Gives you HDMI out on any type of computer or laptop where you don't actually have one already. Pretty good device, works really well. Worked with the HP ZBook. Does not work with my Dynabook Tegra A50, so just keep that in mind. It's not compatible with every single laptop, but most of the new laptops today don't have an HDMI output or are limited with their USB ports because it keeps them small. This thing most likely would work with every new laptop, so I don't know that for a fact, but I would say this would work. The Dynabook that it didn't work with is a computer from 2018. So it does have an HDMI output on it, so it's not a big deal. But like I said, the other computers that don't have an HDMI out and you need to have that to hook to a monitor, hook to a TV, this is your solution. And it also has power, so if you have a laptop that charges via USB-C, you can also plug power into this and it'll charge while you're using it. Gives you 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, and then there's one for power. So, you know, ultimately this is a good device. I think you should pick one of these up if you don't have HDMI out on your computer or laptop. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Take care.